So it's another day in the neighborhood, and we're gonna start doing some more SR shit. Thank God. So today's video, we're gonna be doing some cool shit. I have a head gasket. This gigantic looking box right here is a head gasket in. I'll show you what kind I got, why I got it, and all that here in a minute, blah blah blah. But today we're gonna be putting head studs in, and I'm gonna check my valves, even though I already did the valve seats or valve stem seals, whatever you want to say. And that's probably about it. I don't know. But let's go ahead and get into it. I want to open this thing up and see if there's anything cool in here besides the head gasket. Oh shit, they say I'm the fucking man. Just kidding. Everybody knows that anyway. Why I went with this head gasket is because I listened to the internet. And everybody on the internet says it's a good head gasket. It's expensive as fuck, but it's supposed to be pretty good. Oh shit, I was hoping to expect fucking stickers and shit. No, they're too fancy. But yeah, it's like 200 bucks for the head gasket. Depends on where you get it offline, honestly. Some range from 250, 200, 190, all up in there and shit. But this is it. My plans is to copper spray this. I have copper spray over there somewhere. But yeah, okay. Enough of this bullshit, and let's go ahead and start putting some head studs in. But by head studs, I mean we're gonna check the valves first. Since this is a pricey gasket, I don't want to just throw the fucking thing on there without checking the valves. Yeah, but this thing's expensive. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the valves, and I'll show you how to do that right. Okay, so we're gonna check these valves. Of course you can't see me because I'm behind the, oh god, this thing's so fucking wobbly. Behind the camera. But I'm gonna check these top valves first, which is the intake valves. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour, oh, move this up the goddamn way. I'm gonna pour this water into these motherfucking ports. I mean these mofo ports. And we're gonna see if they leak any water out. So we'll start with, let's start with this first one. Oh, fuck me. And these ones. Oh no, we got a flood. Okay, so we got one valve leaking. So yeah, that's what bad valves look like. It's pouring. It's not seating really good. So yeah, that happened. Let's go into the other ones. I'm gonna mark this one with something. So I got one valve. One stupid fucking valve that wants to do it. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hopefully use my shitty tool. I don't have a good one right now. I'm gonna take this valve spring back off and seat that valve. So maybe there will be a little montage of me trying to get this thing out. So hang on, we'll do it right now. Okay, so I'm gonna warn you guys ahead of time. You can see it's nighttime out. I'm probably just gonna borrow my Bossman's valve stem tool or valve tool. So we're gonna put that head right there on hold. And I mean, I'm already in a productive mood. So I'm gonna unmummify this. And we're gonna put the head studs in. So I'll show you guys how to do that. It'll be in the same video that I do the valve. Don't worry about that. But it'll be tomorrow, so that'll be there. Okay, let's start doing this then. Okay, I'm here. You can't see me, I'm drinking. But, shit. First thing you want to do before you even try putting your head studs in and all that, you want to clean this surface. If you don't get it, the block decked. When I say clean, I don't mean take a fucking grinder to it. I've seen it done. I don't recommend doing it. By saying I've seen it done, I've seen it on fucking Facebook. But you just want to make sure it's nice and smooth. You don't want any of the old gasket residue sticking on it. It's probably pretty noisy. I don't know if you can hear the shit going down the road. Jake breaking and shit. But want to make sure it's nice and clean. You want to make sure it's straight. If you're not getting it decked, you've probably already been over this a bunch of times. I don't know. It's been so long since I made an SR video. You also want to check the head. Make sure it's straight. Take a straight edge. Use feeler gauges. I've already done that. The block's still clean. I mummify it. That way I don't have to keep fucking doing it. Even though this is aluminum. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start getting these head studs ready. So you'll see a little montage of me doing it right here. I'm probably putting them in. I don't know. I don't know how Josh edits yet. I just try to film it sometimes. So yeah, I'm a fucking DJ. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to get this handy dandy little piece of paper out, and it tells you everything. And it basically says just to hand tighten these in with some ARP lube. So that's what I'm gonna do. After I find the right size fucking thing for this. Okay, so I found the right Allen head thing for it. So yes, these are the head studs. I'm gonna set this right here just so I can lose it. And I'm gonna open this thing up. And start putting some on here. I've showed how to put it on there before. I don't know how clear it is. Got my hands full, so. And I put just a dab on there. But, let me see if I can focus for you. No, maybe. Just a little dab on there. So that's what I'm gonna do. And put a little dab on there, and I'm going to use it to smear onto the other one. When you put them in, just make sure you got the hex side up. There's a little hex head at the end of it. I'll try to take a picture of it or a little video of it here in a second. And you can put it in there. But that's what you want to do. I might put a little bit more on there. Okay. Then you just take them. You drop them as hard as you can into the hole. And then you screw it in.
So on our downtime with the SR, me and Jerry built a freaking welding cart out of a shopping cart. It's pretty dope, pretty dope. I mean, legit as fuck. Just a quick walk around. Yeah. Mask holders, everything. It still rolls. Ooh la la. Alright, back to SR. Jerry had a little problem with the valve not seating good, so fucked with that for about, what, an hour now? Finally got it to seat good. Jerry's messing with his head gasket. Fucking dope as shit.
Yes.
And going to the SR. Head gasket's going on and everything. Dun, 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 dun. Copper spray.
I don't give a fuck.
Looks so cool. Spray.
Okay, so I'm gonna clean this up.
I do look dope as fuck though. You can see my nipples. Both sides, everybody. Both sides. You copper seal both sides. Copper
Oh, I sprayed
spray.
my hand.
Ooh.
Hold on,
Pick
fuck.
up.
So this is a great opportunity now that the head's in to put your spark plugs in. And you might be wondering why. And the simple answer is that way you ain't gotta worry about dropping shit in your fucking engine after your head's on. I mean, it's pretty smart if you ask me. But I ain't no mechanic. Okay, so after you do all that shit you just seen, which was a bitch because of the studs. If you ain't got studs, then you know that'd be a lot easier. You want to get your shit. Sorry, I just spit. People don't like that. You want to get your assembly or your ARP shit. Put them on the inside of the nuts, and they come with washers too. So put your nuts and washers on, and then. I don't know the fucking torque spec shit, so I'm gonna Google it and I'll tell you here in a second. But here's a little montage of me putting this shit in.
So that was our SR video for the day. As you can see, head is on, torque to specs. Next video is probably going to be cams and final little touches to it. So make sure you like and subscribe, where either side you fit it on. And we out. Peace.